In mission-critical environments, failure is not an option. From military ground vehicles to aircraft control panels, every component must deliver absolute reliability, even under the harshest conditions. Standard toggle switches can degrade quickly when exposed to temperature extremes, vibration, dust, or moisture. For high reliability applications, you need more than just a toggle. You need a certified, robust solution designed for durability and precision. Meet the Military Series Toggle Switch, qualified to the MIL DTL 83731F specification. This rugged series is engineered with 50 micro-inch selective gold contact plating for superior conductivity, epoxy-sealed terminals to resist moisture and contaminants, flame-retardant housing for enhanced safety, RoHS compliance and process compatibility. Built to handle logic level to 5 amperes resistive and 2 amperes inductive loads, this switch thrives in extremes, both high and low temperature operations. And with a mechanical life cycle of 10,000 cycles, it's built for long-term reliability. Available in vertical through-hole, right-angle through-hole, and solder lug variations, the Military Toggle Series offers outstanding flexibility for PCB layout designs. Whether you're designing for military communications, aerospace control systems, or high-reliability electronics, this toggle switch series is mission-ready. Engineered for performance, designed for resilience, qualified for the most demanding applications. Explore how the Military Series toggle switches can support your next high-reliability design. For datasheets, samples, and more information on the MIL Toggle Switch series, visit ckswitches.com.